Stocks to watch: WPIL, KEC Intel, KPI Green, SJVN, AstraZeneca, A1 Ltd, Thyrocare and JSW Infra among shares in focus today. Stock market today. The Indian stock market saw strong, broad-based buying on Monday, 17th November, despite weak global signals. Positive Q2 results and hopes of an India's trade agreement boosted investor confidence. Marking its sixth straight day of gains, the Sensex climbed 388 points, or 0.46%, to finish at 84,950.95. Meanwhile, the Nifty 50 advanced 103 points, or 0.40%, closing at 26,013.45. 1. WPIL. WPIL, an Indian company, announced on Monday, 17th November, that its South African subsidiary has secured a 426 crore rupees contract from Martler Matesy joint venture, with the project set to be completed within 4 years. 2. KEC International. KEC International announced on Monday that it has won new orders totaling 1,016 crore rupees across multiple sectors. The civil division received contracts in the buildings and factories (B&F) segment from its existing customers. 3. KPI Green, SJVN. On Monday, KPI Green Energy announced that it has signed contract agreements with Statron SJVN Ltd for a 696.50 crore rupees project to build a 200 megawatts AC solar power plant at the Jipkal Renewable Energy Park in Khavda, Gujarat. 4. AstraZeneca Pharma, Sun Pharma. The pharmaceutical company announced that it has entered into a second brand partnership with Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Ltd for sodium zirconium cyclosilicate (SZC) in India. 5-to-1 bonus issue. Thyrocare Tech, financially strong stock jumps after board sets record date for bonus shares. A small-cap company's shares are in focus after the company announced the record date as Friday 28 November for the issue of bonus shares in the ratio to 1. 6. Chemical stock A1 Ltd hits 5% upper circuit after board-approved 1-3 bonus and 1-10 split issue. A small-cap company that is in the wholesale trading of acid and chemicals and also in the transportation business, came into the spotlight after announcing that its board approved the bonus and split issues. 7. JSW Group stock jumps 3% after announcing capex of 3,716 crore rupees to expand its business in Oman. JSW Infrastructure announced the acquisition of a 51% stake in South Minerals Port Company SAOC in Oman, further positioning the company to achieve its target to double its target of achieving capacity to 400 MTPA by FY30. The newly formed port company will be in charge of building and running a 27 MTPA greenfield port in Oman. The total investment in the project will be $419 million, 3,716 crore rupees. The construction period is estimated to be around 36 months, with commercial operations scheduled for the first half of 2029. Disclaimer: this story is for educational purposes only. The views and recommendations above are those of individual analysts or broking companies, not mine. I advise investors to check with certified experts before making any investment decisions.